Welcome to Guitar Power Up. The 24 karat gold album just dropped. It's called Dorado. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 3-2-1. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe for more from this artist and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy. So the first part I want to show you is the chorus. I'll play it for you normal speed and then I'll slow it down for you. The second part I want to show you is the ending. I'll play it for you normal speed and then I'll slow it down for you. And that's it for 3-2-1. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe for more from this artist and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.